What if everything you believe, your dreams, your fears, even your desires, were never really yours? What if society has been quietly programming you, shaping your thoughts, and controlling your actions without you even realizing it? This is the greatest lie ever sold. We like to think we're free to choose, free to think, free to live as we please, but is that really true? From the moment we're born, we're fed a script. Go to school, get a job, buy a house, follow the rules. Society tells us this is success. But who decided that? The truth? Most of us never question it. We follow the path laid out for us, believing it's our choice, when in reality, it was chosen for us long ago. So how does society keep us in line without us realizing it? There are three invisible systems at work. 1. The education system, factories for conformity. Schools don't teach you to think. They teach you to obey. Sit still, raise your hand, memorize answers. Don't question authority. The system isn't designed to create geniuses. It's designed to create workers, people who follow orders without asking why. 2. The media, programming your reality. Fear sells, division sells. The media bombards us with crises, wars, pandemics, economic collapse, keeping us too distracted to see the bigger picture. And social media, it's not just addiction. It's behavior modification. Every like, every scroll trains you to seek approval, to conform. 3. Consumer culture, the never-ending chase. You're told happiness is just one purchase away, but the more you buy, the more you work. The more you work, the more you depend on the system. It's a cycle designed to keep you running, but never truly free. So how do you wake up? How do you take back control? First question, everything start by asking, who benefits from you believing this? Who loses if you start thinking for yourself? 2. Detach from the matrix. Reduce media consumption. Stop chasing status symbols. Real freedom isn't in possessions, it's in independence. 3. Build self-awareness. Most people live on autopilot, but the moment you observe your own thoughts, you break the spell. The greatest lie ever sold is that you have no power. But the truth, once you see the system for what it is, you can step outside of it. The question is, will you